Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to see TNPSC Group 1 Prelims Exam question paper for the year 2017. This is part 2 video with 50 question and answer. Please check our previous video, that is part 1. First question. Work in a force, 300 men had provisions for 90 days. After 20 days, 50 men left the fort. How long would the food last at the same rate? These are maths questions. Please work out and see. We will post the explanation with the answer in our next video. So here the answer is option C. Answer 84 days. Next question. Simplify. Cube root of 729 minus cube root of 27 plus square root of 16 divided by cube root of 512 plus cube root of 343 minus 4 root of 256 is equal to, answer is option B, 10 by 11. Next question. How many years will take certain amount to double at 8% interest per annum at simple interest? Answer is option B, 12, 1 by 2 years. Next question. Surface area of a hemisphere is 2772 centimeters square. Then the total surface area of hemisphere is, answer is option A, 4158 centimeters square. Please work out with the formulas. We will post the answer with explanation really soon. Next question. Choose the correct option to complete the alphabet letter series. A, B, A, C, A, B, C, hyphen, B, C, B, A, hyphen, B, A, B, hyphen, A. Answer is option A, B, D, C, A. Question. Simplify. X plus 3 divided by x cube minus 1 divided by 3x plus 9 divided by x square plus x plus 1. Answer is option D, 1 by 3x minus 3. Next question. Sasi purchased a house for rupees 27,75,000 and spent 2,25,000 on its interior decoration. He sold the house to make a profit of 40%. What is the selling price of the house? So, here we have to find selling price. The answer is option C, rupees 42 lakh. Next question. Simplify. 1350 divided by 15 minus 5, the whole divided by 47.5 minus 15 into 2.5. The answer is option D, 8.5. Next question. Choose the correct option to complete the alphabet letter series. Here the answer is option C, CA, CA, C. Next question. What should come in the place of a question mark in the following series? 24, 536, 487, 703, 678. Answer is option C, 742. Next question. Sum two n terms of an arithmetic progression is 2n square plus n. Then the 8th term is, answer is option D, 31. Next question. A, B, C are said to be in harmonic progression if they are reciprocals. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. What would be the value of x for which 3, x, 6 are in harmonic progression? Answer is option B, 4. Value of root 3 of root 3 of root 3 of root 3 is, the answer is option A, 3. Introducing a girl, Raj said, her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. How is Raj related to the girl? Answer is option B, father. Question. A fraction is such that if the numerator is multiplied by 2 and the denominator is reduced by 4, we get 10 by 3. But if the numerator is increased by 6 and the denominator is doubled, we get 11 by 14. What is the fraction? Answer is option B, 5 by 7. Next question. A boy cut a sector containing an angle of 140 degrees from a circle of radius 15 cm and he folded the sector into a cone. What is the curved surface area of the cone? Where pi is equal to 22 by 7. Answer is option C, 275 square centimeter. Next question. If radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 5:3 and their heights are in the ratio 3:5, then ratio of their volume is, answer is option D, 5:3. Question. Product of two positive number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. The LCM is 60 times of its GCD. Then the difference of LCM and GCD is, answer is 1416, option A. Next question. Find the compound interest of rupees 31,250 at 8% PA for 3 years compounded annually. Answer is option D, rupees 8116. Please work out. We will post the answers with explanation really soon. Next question. A number is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%. Find the net decrease percent. Answer is option B, 1%. Next question. A schoolboy walks from his house to school at the rate of 4 km per hour. He reaches the school 20 minutes earlier than the scheduled time. If he walks at the rate of 3 km per hour, he reaches the school 20 minutes late. What is the distance of the school from his house? Answer is option D, 8 km. Next question. If 1 by 2 of 2x plus 3y plus 12 by 7 bracket of 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2 and 7 divided by 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2y equal to 2, then the values of x and y are respectively. So we have to find x and y values. Answer is option A, 2 and 1. Next question. Dash river is called the Red River of India. Answer is option D, Brahmaputra. Next question. Identify the incorrect statement from the following in respect of seismic waves. Answer is option B, primary waves are highly destructive. Next question. Tea gardens over small mounds of this region is called beels. Answer is option B, Sarma Valley of Assam. Next question. In which of the following options the Indian states are arranged in descending order based on their size of population? Answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal. Next question. Match of list 1 planet with the list 2 moon. List 1 Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. List 2 Triton, Miranda, Europa, Titan. Answer is option C, that is Jupiter, Europa, Saturn, Titan, Uranus, Miranda, Neptune, Triton. Answer is option C. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is international airport. List 2 is cities. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, C.H. Charan Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Lokpriya Gopinath Bardolia. So the answer is option D, that is Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar is in Nagpur. Option B, C.N. Charan Singh is Lucknow. Lal Bahadur Shastri is Varanasi. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardolia is Guwahati. So the answer is option D. Next question. The longest inland waterway of India is? Answer is option D, Holdia-Allahabad Canal. Next question. As on January 2017, who is the all-time highest goal scorer in World Cup football? Answer is option A, Miroslav Klose. Question. When the frequency of an electromagnetic wave and ultrasonic wave are same, then the answer is option B, wavelength of electromagnetic wave will be more. Next question. The first Indian American woman elected to the US House of Representatives is? Answer is option D, Pramila Jayapal. Next question. Which film bagged the best foreign language film in the 88th Academy Award in 2016? Answer is option C, Son of Saul. Next question. Name the country with which India signed a civil nuclear cooperation agreement on 9th December 2016. Answer is option A, Vietnam. Next question. The software HypoGuard, which safeguards data even when the computer is on sleep mode, was developed by? Answer is option C, Canada. Next question. India's first railway university will be set up in which country? Which city? Answer is option B, Vadodara. Next question. The book Modi is Midas Touch in Foreign Policy was written by? Answer is option A, Surendra Kumar. Next question. In which place the central government has proposed to construct the International Container Transshipment Terminal in Tamil Nadu? Answer is option C, NIM, Kanyakumari district. Next question. Match the following with governor with the state as on August 2016. Nanchma Heptullah, VP Singh Batnori, Banwarilal Purohit, C. Sadasivam. So here Nanjima Heptullah was the state Manipur. VP Singh Batnori was the state Punjab. Banwarilal Purohit, Assam. P. Sadasivam, Kerala. So the answer is option B. Next question. Match the following ministers with ministry as on July 2016. Prakash Javadekar, Smriti Irani, Venkaiah Naidu, Suresh Prabhu. Here answer is Prakash Javadekar is the Human Resource Development. He belongs to Human Resource Development Ministry. Smriti Irani, Textile Ministry. Venkaiah Naidu, Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and Suresh Prabhu, Railway Ministry. So the answer is option A. Next question. Two coils are placed close to each other. The mutual inductance of the pair of coils depends upon? Answer is option D, relative position and orientation of the two coils. Next question. In which sport did Harshini of Tiruvarur won the World Championship 2016 held in Russia? Answer is option C, chess. Next question. Param Ishan is the? Answer is option A, supercomputer. Next question. The first International Yoga Day was observed on. Answer is option B, June 21, 2016. Next question. India's first indigenously constructed nuclear submarine that was commissioned into service in August 2016 is. Answer is option D, INS Arihant. Next question. In 2016, Adani Green Energy Limited set up India's largest solar power plant in. Answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Question. Match the following. Film director with the film. Love Diaz, George Miller, Alejandro G. Inarritu, Nagit Hassan Zahadi. Let's see the answer. Love Diaz is matched with film The Woman Who Left. George Miller, answer is Mad Max Fury Road. Alejandro G. Inarritu, answer matched with the film The Revenant. Nagit Hassan Zahidi, matched with the film Another Time. So the answer is option A. Next question. A convex lens of focal length 40 cm is in contact with the concave lens of focal length 25 cm. The power of the combination is. Answer is option A, minus 1.5 D. Please work out this sum. Next question. Which of the following has the least wavelength? Answer is option A, X-rays. Question. Ozone layer of atmosphere absorbs. Answer is option C, ultraviolet radiations. Thank you friends.